All right, I'm here to show you how to change the color and the material of a shape that you create in Onshape. So for this example, what I want you to do is draw a 10 centimeter cube. So we'll do that by starting in the top plane, and we'll draw a cube or a square, and then we'll dimension that square to be 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And then now that we've got that done, we will go ahead and extrude it. We'll extrude it up 10 centimeters. So now we have a perfect 10 centimeter cube. Now the first thing we want to do is change the color of it. So you can do that anytime with the objects that you create by clicking the appearance panel over here. And then it says what part, and you can double click it, and then we'll make it a color. I'm going to make this one green. And you can change that. The other cool feature you can do down here is change the transparency of it. So if you have anything like acrylic or glass or something that might be see-through, you can change that with this slider for the transparency. All right, so now that we've changed that color, we can close our appearance drawer, so we'll close that. Now the other thing that I want to show you how to create is we're going to change the material. Right now we don't know what kind of material it is, but they actually have a whole list of materials, all different things, like from metals to steels to plastics to glass. And so what you do is you take your shape and you right click it, and then down here we're going to edit the material for part one. And then it says what material should we assign that? And what we're going to do here is we can actually go through, you can see we got all these aluminums and wood like balsa and basswood, brass, brick, calcium wood again, like this ebony or this elm. And so or foam core, you'll actually probably use that later on in this class. But what we'll do is we're going to go up, and for this example, I want you to make it ABS. And ABS is a 3D printed material. So we'll make it ABS, and we click OK. And then, now it doesn't actually change anything visually, but if we measure it and we click down here on the little properties symbol, you can see that it says, hey, this is 1,052 grams now. So that's an ABS material. Now, if I close that and change that to edit that material to maybe something with a lot higher density, like stainless steel is pretty dense. So we'll click on that stainless steel and click OK. And if I measure it again, you can see now that's 8,000 grams for that. So you can use this to approximate weights of the things that you create in Onshape. So I want you to make sure that you do that. Again, we're going to change this one to be right click. We'll change it back to ABS, and then you can turn that into me with your ABS measurement. If I click down here, and then what you would do is take a screenshot of this and then turn that in for your assignment. So new, got my screenshot of my mass and my colored block, and then I'll turn that in. So let me know if you have any questions in class. Thank you and good luck.